Welcome back to VIVA Muscle. Today we shining the spotlight on an extraordinary talent and shine a Spanish fitness model and artist who has captured the hearts of 6,900 followers on Instagram. Let's explore the journey and achievement of this inspiring individual. Born and raised in Spain, Andre Shine developed a passion for fitness and art at a young age. He is a youngest fitness model and artist, and his commitment to this dual pursuit has only sculpted his physique but also enriched his creative soul. Andre's journey is a testament to the power of dedication, discipline, and unwavering desire to pursue one's passion. Andre's fitness journey began his teenage years. Inspired by the icon of bodybuilding and fitness, he started training with a focus on both strength and aesthetics. Over the years, he has honed his body into a masterpiece. So I hope friends you are enjoying today's video, and I am sure you will like this video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press on the bell icon so that you can get updates on daily basis, showcasing impressive muscle definition and symmetry. His Instagram is a visual diary of his fitness evolution, filled with workout routines, nutrition tips, and motivational content that inspire his followers to achieve their own fitness goals. But Andre is not just about physical prowess. His artistic side is equally captivating. He seamlessly blends his love for fitness with his artistic talent, creating stunning visuals that go beyond more photographs. His art often features dynamic poses and intricate details, reflecting his deep understanding of the human form. This unique combination of fitness and art sets Andre apart, making his content truly one of a kind. Andre's approach to fitness is holistic. He emphasizes the importance of a balanced lifestyle, incorporating elements of strength training, cardiovascular exercise, and flexibility workouts into his routine. So beyond the gym and the canvas, Andre Shine is a source of positivity and motivation. His Instagram feed is a blend of intense workout sessions, artistic creations, and personal reflections. He uses his platform to spread a message of self-love, resilience, and perseverance. Andre's story is a powerful reminder that with passion and hard work one can achieve greatness in multiple fields. So Andre's impact extends beyond social media. He actively participates in fitness and art communities, attending events, collaborating with the other artists and fitness enthusiasts, and continuously seeking ways to improve and inspire. His dedication to his craft and his community is truly commendable. In conclusion, Andre Shine is much more than a fitness model and artist. So friends, thank you for watching this episode of VIVA Muscle. If you enjoyed learning about Andre Shine and his incredible journey, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Follow Andre on Instagram to keep up with his latest fitness and artistic endeavor. Until next time, stay motivated and keep pushing. Thanks for watching.